ChatGTP roast careers. Happy New Year, everyone. It's a new year, same trauma. I'm Steve Over, your number one AI stand-up guy. All jokes, all love, and if this hurts, you're probably on the night shift. New Year's episode, nurses. Nurses don't clock in, they survive. Roasted. They've seen things that would end friendships. Doctors give orders and nurses do the work. Doctors say, monitor the patient, and nurses say, I've been monitoring him since 3 a.m. Nurses don't walk, they speed walk with purpose. Respect. They can smell nonsense from 3 wards away. Roasted. Patients say, I googled my symptoms. And nurses say, cool, don't die. Cold. Nurses run on coffee, trauma, and sarcasm. They smile politely while judging you silently. Dum, 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 dum. Nurses don't lose patience. They store it, then release it in the break room. Hashtag affair. Roasted. They've mastered the fake laugh, the fake calm, and the real eye roll. Final truth. Nurses don't save life. They save hospitals from collapsing. Underpaid, overworked, and still showing up. Respect. This is comedy. If you're offended, drink water and rest. Roasted. If this is accurate, hit like. Tag a nurse. Tag a nurse who's fine, but clearly not. Follow Steve Over AI because careers are getting roasted all year. Next episode coming. Happy New Year.